Guys, today I have a Dollar Tree haul for you guys, and it's a good one.
All those days trying to find a place where you only can just be alone, All those nights lying by your side, like it's a vibe, feeling it shine under your spotlight.
Welcome back to Ria's World of Ideas. I am Ria, and on my channel I love to share all the ideas that I find helpful in my life and home, and hopefully you'll find them helpful in your life and home as well. So if you're not a subscriber already, don't forget to hit that subscriber button before you leave this video, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell so you're always notified on all the new videos that I put out. So let's just jump into today's video, which is a Dollar Tree haul, guys. And they have a kind of like a mixture of things in Dollar Tree right now. They got like back to school stuff, they got fall stuff, they still got summer stuff, so it's a bunch of different things, and it's like a hodgepodge of things. But you know, if you're a Dollar Tree shopper, you've got to grab things when you see them because you won't see them again. So let me start off with some stuff that I saw in the back to school section. Now they had a whole thing. One of the Dollar Trees I went to, they had everything you could think of for back to school and a lot of great things, and I was going to video for you guys, but it's just so much, so I just encourage you guys to go out there and look at it because they have a lot of new stuff for back to school, not just supplies but like lunch boxes and different things like that. So definitely check them out. Now one thing that I did see near the collapsible lunch boxes was this little bag, and this bag is called a ladies plastic clear bag, and I picked up two of these because I liked it because for one it had pockets, and I figured I can use this for traveling. I'm still going to do some traveling this summer, and I needed a bag that I've been looking for, a Dollar Tree bag because I don't want to pay no more than $1. They had it to where when you open it, it has like a bottom. So you see how I'm pushing it out, it has a bottom. So that when I could use this for like my hygiene products. So whenever I'm using it in the shower, it stands up and everything is like standing up. Because I used to use Ziploc bags before. And the bad thing about that is when you go to the hotel or where you're staying at someone's house, it's going to like tip over. So I was trying to look for bags like this that have like a bottom like this so I could just stand them up. And the fact that this one came with little pockets, I thought was so cute. So I only picked up two. I was going to pick up four like I always do like when I'm trying to stock up on things. But I wanted to try them out first just in case, you know, sometimes with Dollar Tree products you can never tell. But it's a big size for $1, and then you know, it has a zipper. The only thing I am going to alter about this that I will tell you, it does have an opening right here. So what I'm going to do, because I want to be able to have my products contained in my luggage and also when I take them out, is I'm just going to take some hot glue and I'm actually going to connect these two pieces together and hot glue them. So I might just show you guys that on Instagram, like a real quick video, because it's not like a thing to make a big video on it. But if you want me to show you on Instagram how I'm going to do it, just leave me a comment down below and I'll show you on Instagram how I'm going to connect them, and then I'll tell you how these hold up. But I thought this was a great buy for $1, just like the makeup bags that I hauled to you guys before, which I'm loving those. Another thing I found, which is actually in the teacher section, it wasn't in the back to school section, it was actually like the office supplies and teacher section, which if you are a teacher, definitely go to Dollar Tree all year round, but definitely right now because they're bringing all the stuff for teachers, and it's great prices. It's things that I know you guys pay more for in the teacher store or Target and Walmart, so definitely go. There's so much stuff that I just didn't pick up, but you definitely need to go check it out. So the one thing I did pick up were pocket charts. These are really cool. They come in 4 colors. I picked up the pink, the green, the blue, and then they had, I believe an orange. So what I liked about these is, the one thing I would say to you guys, if you're not a teacher, if you love to organize your house, or if you're an organizer, still go to Dollar Tree right now during back to school season, because a lot of things that they have for teachers, in their classrooms, you can use them in your house. And that's what I'm going to do with these things. I'm actually going to organize a part of my house that I'm going to share with you guys with these pockets. So don't just look at teacher items and think, oh, I'm not a teacher and I can't use them. No, go down the office supply section, go in the teacher section, go in the back to school section, because there's so much stuff in there for storage, for classrooms, that you could definitely use in your house to organize your home. So these come, I'm going to open them up for you. So stay tuned. I'm gonna have some organizational videos for you guys coming up with these pockets. But I'm gonna open this one up so you can kind of see how it is. I think this is really great for $1. I know that these pockets cost more at the teacher store and at Walmart and Target, where my teachers, like I said, I told you, I work at a school, I'm a teacher's aide, and I know my teachers pay way more for this stuff. So it's great for $1. So it opens up like this. So it's a pretty big size, and then it has 2 hooks right here. So I love this. I'm actually going to, like I said, I'm going to use this for an organizational project, so stay tuned for this. And then there's so many more ideas that you can use this for besides what I'm going to use it for. And I think I might in the video, I'm going to save it for the video, so I'm going to share with you guys all the organizational things you can do with this. But definitely pick this up if you want to do some organizations at home, and definitely stay tuned to that video so I can share with you guys what I'm going to do with them. They also had another one like this, but it was just like a kind of like an envelope, and it had magnets on the back of it, which I think that the teachers use that on their whiteboards and stuff like that, so because their whiteboards are magnetic. But you can also use them at your house for the refrigerator, and like if you have a calendar or anything like that, definitely pick that up for your calendar. Also at Dollar Tree, I saw that they had this rollout calendar, which was really cool if you wanted to create a family command center, which I have one. And if you haven't seen that video, I'll put a card up here and also in the description box below. It's one of my most popular videos, and I'm actually remaking my command center, so stay tuned for that because I'm revamping it. But it's a great thing to have for your command center. It's like it rolls out and it has all the months of the year, and it comes with stickers, and it's dry erasable. It's a dry erasable paper, a dry erasable poster. So when you put it on your wall, you can write on it, erase it, and everything. I thought it was pretty cool. For $1, I mean, that's really good for $1. I don't need it because, like I said, I already have one, but I thought that was really good, so I did take a picture of how it looks in the store so you guys can check that out, and you guys can be on the lookout for it if you need a calendar for a command center or just a calendar in general. Oh, and I forgot to tell you, this is my recent DIY, and I wanted to keep it up here so you guys can see it. If you haven't checked out that video, I will put a card up here and also in the description box below. But I recently just made these farmhouse style scales that I was inspired by J Money, who has a YouTube channel as well. She's a YouTuber, great YouTuber, comes up with amazing ideas, and she inspired me to make these two. And so this is my recent DIY, so if you haven't checked that out, check it out because this was fun to make. They're cute and they're under $5 to make with Dollar Tree items. So let's continue with the haul. I picked up these Sure Fresh containers. They come 4 to a pack, and I picked them up because I found a recipe to make homemade chalk paint, because as we all know, if you're a DIYer, chalk paint is expensive. So I found a recipe, not with the plaster of Paris because I heard people say that it gets hard too quick, but another recipe that I'm going to share with you guys, and I needed containers for it, so I got these because they also measure like 2 cups, so that was really good. Another thing I found, it was berries for Christmas. I shared with you guys in my last Dollar Tree haul that I picked up the red berries. I've never seen the white ones, or if they have been, they were gone. There was only one in my store, so I picked up this one. Like I said, I grab things as I see them because they might not be there, and so I need to grab them now. Another thing I grabbed because my store just had a whole box. They put a whole container of this, and I had to pick them up. I actually picked up a bunch to organize my home. Is these collapsible bins, and they have this neutral color. Usually they have like the funky colors, and I've seen this neutral color before, and like I told you guys before, when I've organized my kids' toys, when I did my how to organize the kids' toys, I'll put that video in a card up here and also in the description box below. But I organized it with regular white bins because at first I didn't like how these bins were originally, and they're still not the best quality, but they hold up a little bit more now than they did before. So I kind of was getting tired of the look of the bucket in the playroom, and I kind of wanted like a more closed look. If you guys know me, I'm very OCD. I like things behind closed doors, behind a closet, in a drawer. That's just, I mean, my mind is cluttered if I see clutter. So I wanted to pick up some of these, and I saw that they had this kind in stock, and so I bought a bunch of them because I feel like it's very neutral. It's black, it's gray, and it can go with so many styles, whether it's, my farmhouse style or just a neutral style for the kiddos, because with a playroom, you kind of don't want to, even though I like the color white and the look of clean of white, it's kind of hard to have everything white in a playroom, like you see those Pinterest playrooms, because let's be real, it's our kids. And my kids love to make slime, and my kids love to play, and so, yeah, I need dark colors in the playroom. So everybody has been hauling all this fall stuff on their Dollar Tree hauls, and I was on the lookout because they had some new things that they brought in this year that weren't there last year that I wanted to grab, even though, let's be real, I don't need no more fall stuff. As you guys saw last year with my Decorate With Me, I have a lot of fall stuff, but fall is my favorite season, and they had some new cute things, so I was on the lookout for a lot of them, and finally one of my Dollar Trees came out with some of the things, not all of them, but they came out with some of the things, so I grabbed them. So one of them is this wood sign that everybody's been hauling. It's actually smaller than what I thought it was, but it's still cute, and they come in this color, white and black, but they didn't, all the white, all the black was gone in my store. All they had was the orange, so either all of it was gone and all that was left was orange, or all they put out was orange at my store. But I picked this one up, and it said Pumpkin Kisses and Harvest Wishes, which it kind of like, the writing is kind of like, you can't really read it, so I might do something on the back. I'm not sure. I might DIY something on the back. But I love the look of it. It's so cute, and I think this would look cute with any tier tray or actually in a coffee bar or whatever. But I like it, and I'm still on the lookout for the white one or the beige one and the black one whenever it does come out. Another thing that was new for fall was these fall signs that everybody's been hauling. I got the one that says thankful. They also have one that says harvest, but I didn't really like the colors, and I didn't really need it. But I love this one because it had that checker, that farmhouse checker print that I love, and so and it also had the colors of the pumpkins that I like. So I definitely picked this one up. This one is confusing a lot of people because people think that they're like the hard, like the solid wood that the other like decor pieces was. That's not. This is actually kind of like not the cardstock, but it's kind of like when you guys buy those other picture frame, those square ones and the rectangle ones, those kind of like picture frames, not picture frames, those picture decor pieces where they have sayings on them, and some of them are square, some of them are rectangle. That's what this is made of. It's made of the same thing. It's not flimsy, but it's not wood. So I mean, you could make DIYs out of these, but it's not. I don't want to confuse you with it being like the little solid wood piece, because it's not. But I still think it's cute. I just picked it up to decorate with it like this. I'm not going to do anything different to it. They also brought a lot of different pumpkins out last year. Not last year. They also brought a lot of pumpkins out to this store. But I didn't pick up the orange one because last year I was able to pick up the orange one because that one was all left over. But last year I wasn't able to pick up the white one or the green one because everybody picked these up in my store and they were gone so fast. So I picked up 2 of the white ones and 2 of the green ones, and I left the orange ones because, like I said, I bought them last year, so I already had them last year. But that was all that I had in my store for fall. And then I also picked up some more of this, I don't know what they call it, but I call it like hay, because I have some DIYs, some fall DIYs for you guys coming up that I'm going to use these for. And yep, that is everything for this Dollar Tree haul. Let me know if you guys have been having better luck than me finding some fall things, and let me know anything new that's come out, because this is how we know what's in the store. That's why I love Dollar Tree hauls, because you don't know what's in the store until someone shows it, so then you can actually look for them, because Dollar Tree can sometimes be very not confusing, but very like, they put things in weird places, and unless you're looking for them, you won't find them. So that's why I love Dollar Tree hauls. So I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. Let me know in the comments down below today. Let me see what question I can leave. Okay, let me know. The question that I'm going to have for you guys this week is, what have you been looking for in Dollar Tree that has been like, you've been trying to find it, you've seen Dollar Tree hauls, you've seen all these Facebook pages, you see it on Instagram, you see people hauling an item. What is that item that everybody's been hauling that you want, but your Dollar Trees in your area never bring it? Let me know in the comments down below. That's my question for you guys this week. Let me know what you guys have been trying to find and you just don't have any luck finding. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Hey guys, don't forget to click on the picture in the middle of the screen so you can subscribe to my channel and get notifications on all the new videos that I put out. And check out these other 2 videos that I have posted on my channel on either side of my picture. Have a great day.